Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we simplify complex subjects one video at a time. You're watching our law series, and in today's episode, we dive into one of the most practical and widely used branches of law, contract law. You can watch the full playlist by clicking the link below in the video description. Have you ever bought something online, subscribed to a service, or signed a job offer? Guess what? You've entered into a contract. From multi-million-dollar business deals to clicking "I agree" on a mobile app, contracts are everywhere, and understanding how they work can protect your rights, your money, and your future. Contract law governs legally binding agreements between two or more parties. It ensures that promises made in business, employment, or everyday life are enforceable under law. For a contract to be valid, 5 essential elements must be present: offer, a clear proposal; acceptance, a clear agreement to that proposal; consideration, something of value exchanged; intention, to create legal relations; capacity, legal ability of parties to enter the agreement. If one party fails to uphold their end, it's called a breach of contract, and the injured party can seek compensation, cancellation, or specific performance in court. Contract law has existed for centuries. In ancient Rome, contracts were formalized through verbal rituals and symbolic acts. By the 19th century, English common law had evolved detailed principles still used today in many countries. Modern contract law balances two goals: encouraging freedom to contract and preventing unfair advantage or exploitation. Famous case study: Carbolic Smoke Ball Co. Here's a classic example. A company advertised that anyone who used their smoke ball as instructed and still caught the flu would get £100. Mrs. Carlyle did exactly that and still got sick. When she claimed the money, the company refused, calling it a marketing gimmick. The court disagreed. The advertisement was ruled a unilateral contract, a promise made to the public, enforceable when someone accepted by performing the action. She won the case, and the legal world learned that even advertisements can be binding under the right conditions. Why contract law matters today. In the 21st century, contract law governs e-commerce, freelance gigs, employment contracts, loan agreements, construction projects, technology licensing, international trade deals. With the rise of digital platforms, cross-border transactions, and automated contracts, the scope of contract law is growing faster than ever. If you're heading into business, law, management, or entrepreneurship, understanding contract law is not optional, it's essential. It empowers you to protect your rights, make better deals, and avoid costly mistakes. In upcoming videos, we'll explore breach of contract remedies, contract formation, digital contracts, and more. So keep watching, keep learning. This is the Learning Studio, and you're watching the Law Series.